Dear friends, are you looking for a simple way to take your skin from dull to dazzling? Well, get ready to be amazed. In today's video, we're diving into 5 surprising ways castor oil and baking soda can transform your skin. These 2 household ingredients aren't just for cooking or cleaning. They're skin superheroes. Stick around for a bonus tip that will help you achieve glowing skin in just days. You won't want to miss this one. Please remember, it's always best to patch test or consult a healthcare professional before trying new remedies. Let's start. Number 1. Castor oil for deep moisturization. Castor oil is packed with fatty acids that nourish your skin deeply. It's like giving your skin a big, warm hug. But how does it work? Well, the fatty acids, especially ricinoleic acid, help to lock in moisture, making your skin softer and smoother. According to research, castor oil penetrates deep into the skin layers, keeping it hydrated longer than many store-bought moisturizers. This is especially helpful for people with dry skin or those living in cold climates. How to use it? Apply a small amount of castor oil to your face before bed. Gently massage it in, and wake up with soft, hydrated skin. Number 2. Baking soda for exfoliation. Dead skin cells can make your skin look tired and dull. That's where baking soda comes in. It's a natural exfoliant that helps to scrub away dead skin cells and reveal the fresh, glowing skin underneath. The science behind it: baking soda's mild alkaline nature helps balance your skin's pH while gently scrubbing away impurities. Studies show that using it once or twice a week can improve skin texture and brightness. How to use it? Dear friends, if you want to know how to mix castor oil and baking soda, you can watch Castor Oil and Baking Soda, Mixing Ratio and Usage Guide. Or, want to know more benefits about mixed castor oil and baking soda, you can also watch 10 Surprising Benefits of Castor Oil and Baking Soda in our channel, links in description, and of course in the end screen. Let's start again. Number 3. Castor oil for acne treatment. You might be thinking, oil on acne? That can't be good. But trust me, castor oil works wonders on acne-prone skin. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, castor oil helps to reduce acne-causing bacteria and soothe irritated skin. Here's the science. Research shows that castor oil's ricinoleic acid helps to reduce acne and prevents new breakouts by controlling the bacteria on your skin. Plus, it reduces redness and swelling, making your skin look calm and refreshed. How to use it? Apply a small amount to your acne-prone areas before bed. Let it work its magic overnight, and you'll start noticing fewer breakouts. Number 4. Baking soda for skin brightening. Want brighter, glowing skin? Baking soda can help. When used as a mask, it gently exfoliates your skin and promotes a more even skin tone. What's happening under the surface? Studies suggest that baking soda can help remove dark spots and discoloration over time, thanks to its mild bleaching properties. It also improves circulation to the skin, giving you a healthy, natural glow. How to use it? Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with lemon juice to form a brightening mask. Apply it to your face, leave it on for 10 minutes, and rinse off. You'll notice an instant glow. Number 5. Castor oil for anti-aging. Looking for a natural way to keep wrinkles at bay? Castor oil is your answer. It's full of antioxidants that fight free radicals, which cause premature aging. Studies show that antioxidants in castor oil protect your skin cells from damage, keeping your skin firm and youthful. Plus, the fatty acids help to improve skin elasticity, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. How to use it? Apply a few drops of castor oil to your face and gently massage in upward motions. Use it daily for the best results and say goodbye to fine lines. Bonus tip: mix castor oil and baking soda for ultimate skin detox. Here's the bonus tip we promised. When you combine castor oil and baking soda, you get a powerful detoxifying mask that can help clear clogged pores, remove blackheads, and leave your skin feeling incredibly refreshed. How to use it? Dear friends, if you want to know how to mix castor oil and baking soda, you can watch Castor Oil and Baking Soda, Mixing Ratio and Usage Guide. Or, want to know more benefits about mixed castor oil and baking soda, you can also watch 10 Surprising Benefits of Castor Oil and Baking Soda in our channel, links in description, and of course in the end screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.